Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find HCF by prime factorization method in the topic HCF and LCM. Part 1. HCF and LCM. HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor of two or more than two numbers is the product of highest or maximum number of common factors in the given numbers. It is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD. To find HCF, we have two methods. The first method is prime factorization method. The second is division method. First, prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 4, 8 and 12. Now, in the first step, we have to find the prime factors of 4, 8 and 12. Now, let's find the prime factors of 4. Prime factor, what is a prime number? Prime number means which is having only two factors, 1 and itself. So, 2 is a prime number. 2 is having only the two factors, 2 and 1. 1 and itself. So, now take 2 in 2 table, will get 4, right? So, take 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So, we can write 4 as 2 into 2. Now, find the prime factors. 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. We can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Find the prime factors for 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So we can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. In the first step, we have to find the prime factors of the given numbers. In the second step, we have to find the common prime factors of the given all the given numbers. So we have to find the common factor common in all the prime factors of 4, 8 and 12. So 2 is common in all the three numbers, and again 2 is common in all the prime factors of the three numbers. So that's it. 2 is common and again 2 is common. We won't have here again 2, but we have 2 in 8. But here this 2 is not common in all the three numbers. So these 2 are excluded. So only these are common. Okay. So this we have to select which is common in all the three. Okay. So right. So now which is common in all the three numbers, those factors we have to multiply. Those prime factors we have to multiply. So 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So this is the HCF of 4, 8 and 12. Therefore, HCF of 4, 8 and 12 is 4. Find the greatest number that will exactly divide 200 and 320 by prime factorization method. Finding the greatest number that will exactly divide. Greatest number means here we have to find HCF. So in the first, what is the first step in finding the HCF? We have to find the prime factors for the given numbers. So now find the prime factors for 200. 2 1s are 2. Zeros. Write 0, 0. 2 5s are 10. So write 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. We won't get 25 in 2 table. So I'll take 5. 5 is also a prime number. So 5 5s 25. 5 ones are 5. So I can write 200 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now find the prime factors. 320. 320. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 to 12. 2 6 are 12. 0. 2 8s are 16. 0. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 5s are 10. Won't get 5 in 2 table, right? So take 5. 5 ones are 5. So we can write the 320 as product of the prime numbers, prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. The first step finding the prime factors is completed. So in the second step, we have to find the common prime factors of all the numbers. So 2 is common. Then again the 2 is common. 2 is common all in the given two numbers, and 5 is common. Only these are the common in the prime factors of both the numbers. So now select which is common of all the numbers. Now multiply. So which are the common prime factors? Those common prime factors we have to multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So therefore HCF of 200 and 320 is 40. The greatest number that will exactly divide 200 and 320 is 40. Find the greatest possible length of a scale to measure exactly 6 meters 25 centimeters, 9 meters 50 centimeters, and 12 meters 25 centimeters. This is exam point of view question. So in this question, you have to convert first the meters into centimeters. So 1 meter is equals to how much? 100 centimeters. So now first convert meters into centimeters. 6 meters 25 centimeters. This is equals to 600 centimeters plus 25 centimeters, which is equals to 625 centimeters. 9 meters 50 centimeters. 900 centimeters plus 50 centimeters. 950 centimeters. 12 meters 25 centimeters, which is equals to 1200 centimeters plus 25 centimeters. 1225 centimeters. So after this, we have to find the prime factors of 625, 950 and 1225. So first to find the prime factors for 625. The ones place digit is 5. So take 5 because 625 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 to 12. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. So 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. Next 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. So here 2. 2 5 is 25. So 5 5 is 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. Next. Find prime factors for 950. The ones place is 0. So we can take 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So 1 5 15. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14, 1. So 1 0 10. 2 5s are 10. 1's place digit is 5. So it will not divisible by 2. So it will divisible by 5. So let's take 5. 5 9s are 45. 47 minus 45, 2. So write here 2. 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. And take 5. 5 1s are 5. 9 minus 5, how much? 4. So 4 5 45. So 5 9s are 45. 19 is a prime number. It won't get in any other table. So it will come in one end itself. So 19 1s are 19. Now find the prime factors of 1225. The ones place digit is 5. So let's take 5. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. 2 2 22. 5 4s are 20. 22 minus 22. So 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 24 minus 20, 4. 4 5 45. 5 9s are 45. Won't get 49 in 5 table. So take 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So we can write 625 as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 950 as 2 into 5 into 5 into 19. And 1225 as 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. The first step of finding the prime factors is completed. So in the second step, we have to find the common prime factors of all the numbers. So in the prime factors of 625, 5 is there. And in the prime factors of 950 is also 5 is there. And in the prime factors of 1225 is also 5 is there. This is a common. And again, in the 625, 5 is there. And in the 915, the prime factors of 950 also 5 is common in all the three. In the 1225 also 5 is common. Okay. And then again in 625, in the prime factors of 625, again we have 5. But in the prime factors of 950 and 1225, we don't have again 5. Okay. So only these are the numbers. Oh, these are the only two factors which is common in all the three numbers. So now select the numbers which are common. Five. And again 5 is common. That's it. Only these are the two factors which are common in all the three numbers. So we have to find those two numbers, those two factors. Multiply those common factors. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Therefore, HCF of 625, 950 and 1225 is 25. Therefore, the greatest possible length of a scale to measure exactly 6 meters 25 centimeters, 9 meters 50 centimeters and 12 meters 25 centimeters is 25. This is how to find HCF by using prime factorization method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.